All right, what's going on, guys? It's Daniel back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And on today's video, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and overview. All right, so UAG Urban Armor Gear, one of the more expensive, definitely one of the more costly cases out there. This is the Monarch series, okay? And it says new iPhone 6.7 inch 2021. And I think what you're going to see are a lot of case manufacturers using the 12 Pro Max with the 13 Pro Max if there's just enough clearance for the camera module. The screen real estate is the same. The difference is the camera module will vary slightly, therefore causing a lot of cases not to work, but I'm sure some will as well. So don't go throwing all of your cases out just yet. Just a quick FYI. Now this has 20-foot drop protection. I love UAG carbon fiber mix. And let's go ahead and slap this on the phone, see what we think, and let's see if it also has any form of magsafe compatibility. Again, love UAG, love the design. It's kind of like a 3D feel to it, kind of trippy. Let's zoom in a little bit. As you guys can see there with that pattern. Camera module cutout, UAG printed right there. Cutouts at the bottom for your lightning port and microphones and speakers, power button on the right hand side, mute switch, and volume rocker. Let me go ahead and grab my MagSafe wallet and see if we have any form of MagSafe. Nope, it doesn't look like we do, which is unfortunate because this case does retail for above $40 US, and I will link it in the description where I picked it up on Amazon, so feel free to check it out. But if you are looking for a MagSafe case, this isn't the one. Let's go ahead and slap it in. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Make sure everything's clicked into place. Feels very good in the hand. We have slight razivity, as Flossie Carter would say. Nice camera module razivity there, but this is not a big case. What I love about these UAG cases, they offer toughness, they offer ruggedness, but they do so without having to make you feel like your case itself is adding a whole second phone to your phone. All right, so I like to keep my profile as slim as possible. Shame that this doesn't have MagSafe compatibility. Putting it on the table, boom, there you go. Might not be able to use this case just simply because it does not have MagSafe compatibility, but I like it a lot. I am a huge fan of UAG. All right. Buttons, let's press them. Power button, nice and clicky, 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 and pretty easy to hit that mute switch. Yeah, I like this case a lot. This case would be an easy recommendation for me if it had MagSafe compatibility right here. It really would. A little too expensive for my liking without the MagSafe compatibility. With that being said, guys, let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions regarding this case or any UAG case for that matter. Like always, it was Nando. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, salute, and adios. And don't forget to stay geeky, guys. Bye.